Well, this is a problem. This is what our customers did, and they leveraged this particular storage system this way. This is what they had to do with the data. This is how they normalize the relational database, the object databases, things like that, and never get to that. And again, not picking on HPE as much. It seems to be a systemic issue in the industry. We talk in high-level stuff, not necessarily committing to something, not talking about the use cases around it, and the actual value that these things are able to find. It's just frustrating for me, kind of as an old geek who's, been dealing with enterprise technology for a long period of time. I want them to cut to the chase.
Training to inference and continuously learning. In March, we unveiled the next evolution of the HP Alletra Storage MP X10000, our AI-optimized storage platform built from the ground up for high performance.
AI optimized. What does that mean? So here we go again. So I'm telling you, the overuse of AI now as systemic to everything you talk about in terms of how you describe your product makes you look weak, because you don't necessarily understand how to apply the technology. And it's not just putting AI on the back of everything you have out there and kind of hoping for the best in the market. Enterprises are much more clever than that. They understand where the value can be found with AI, when to use it and when not to use it. And you assisting those enterprises in figuring that out is going to be a step in the right direction. It's going to make your product different. It would make people like me, whether you care of my opinion or not, talk about how this is a different product in the field, and how it really looks at where to use this technology, where not to use this technology, where it's going to be optimized for cost and value that it's able to bring back to the enterprise. Not just AI enabling everything, because everything doesn't need to be AI enabled.